Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to reconnect with the past Bumble mates. Reconnecting with the past Bumble mates can be a great way to reignite a conversation or explore a potential relationship that didn't progress initially. Here are some steps and tips to help you effectively reach out. Open the Bumble application and tap on the chat bubble icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll through your chat list to find the past mates you want to reconnect with. If the chat is archived, you may need to unarchive it. Start with a friendly greeting or reference, something you talked about before. You could say something like, "Hey, I was just thinking about our conversation about something. How have you been?" Another is express genuine interest. Ask how they have been or if they have tried anything new lately. This shows that you care and are interested in their life. If someone notable has happened in your life since you last talked, share it. This can help rekindle the conversation and make it more engaging. A funny meme or light-hearted question can break the ice. Suggest a low-key meetup. If the conversation flows well, you can suggest a casual meetup. Keep it simple, like grabbing coffee or going for a walk. Also, be patient. Give them time to respond. They may be busy or need time to think about reconnecting. Otherwise, be respectful. If they don't respond or seem uninterested, respect their space and move on gracefully. Also, keep expectation in check. Understand that not every reconnection will lead to a deep conversation or a date. Approach it with an open mind. By following these steps, you can efficiently reconnect with a past Bumble mate and explore the potential for a renewed connection. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.